tomatoes and whiskey. You know, the U.S. bourbon industry is really taking a hit from this back and forth on tariffs with the European Union. Jeff Flock today, live at a distillery in Louisville, Kentucky, with the latest on this. Jeff.
Connell, we've actually been at a couple of different distilleries today. Now at Michter's, earlier in the day at a distillery that was particularly hard hit, that is shipping nothing to Europe now because of the high tariff. And I tell you, Europe had been such a huge growth spot for American whiskey. In fact, if you look at the numbers on the growth of American whiskey in the last 10, 20 years, I mean, the world loves American whiskey, specifically from Kentucky, the bourbons, the ryes, and, you know, when you shut off the market, shut off because the tariff got as high as 25%, that's a problem. But here at Michter's, actually, Joe Magliocco, who is the CEO, you tell me things aren't as bad as they could be because of the tariffs.
Well, you know, obviously we'd love to see the issue resolved in a way that's good for everybody, but at Michter's, our export business has been very strong this year. We're actually running up 35% for the first 10 months of this year, so it's great.
I don't think people understand, and maybe, hey, Sven, come on over here, actually, if you could, and on this side, because you look at these bottles. Look at these. This is from where? This is Japan, China. Which one here? This one's from...
We have Thailand there, Israel. We have a bunch of different markets. We're in 54 export markets right now, and we really think long-term, for not just for us, but for the whole entire American whiskey industry, we think export markets are really a very, very big potential area of growth.
When we think of the trade deficit, actually, you contribute to the trade surplus, right? And let's just go down here because I want to see the actual whiskey going in. Walk down with me, Joe. You know, this has been a huge plus. The tariffs obviously hurt, but I don't hear you angry and upset.
No, not at all. Again, our business is strong. We actually had an auction in London last week where one of our bottles sold for $17,000. So
walk me over here real quick. I'll show you that bottle, just because I know you want to see it, Connell. 17 bottle like this, $17,000.
Wow.
What? This is our 20-year-old, and it was a 22-year-old that sold, but it would be fairly similar to the one that sold for $17,000.
Melissa says she'll take two, which is funny.
I think you should taste some.
Yeah, I mean, is it happen? No, stop it.
Cheers, Flock. We have 10 seconds.
Wow.
Something else.
Bye.
Yeah, bye indeed. Thanks for joining us.